Hello YouTube. I wanted to make a little video of this process of repairing a Dunlop volume pedal. I believe this is the DVP1 volume pedal. It's a decent pedal, nice solid construction. One with the older models though, they had an issue where this band-driven contraption on the inside here, this metal band eventually snaps, and it's a known problem that Dunlop knows about, and they've actually re-engineered the material that they make that band out of, so you don't have that problem with the newer ones. But being as this is an older one, this happened to me a couple weeks ago. Looking up online, found a number for Dunlop's customer service, and they have great customer service. I can't speak highly enough about their customer service. I mentioned what had happened, and John, the guy I talked to, said, "Oh yeah, we'll be able to send you out a new part right away." And they did, and I received the new part. Now when I was gonna get the new part, I expected that they'd send me this band and I'd have to undo it and wrap it around this drive here, and it would have been, I wasn't looking forward to that big project. But in fact, what they send you is an entirely new assembly with the band already on, and you can see that the material is indeed different that they use on their band, rather than this silver metal here of the old style. They have this, I'm not sure what it's made out of now, but I've been assured that it does not have the same issue as the older style. So just a quick catch up is where I'm at. The bottom plate of this just has 6 screws, comes out really easily with a Phillips head screwdriver. Pop it right off, exposes the parts that you need. Nice thing too is when they send you the part, but this was free of charge, by the way. They didn't charge me for this at all, because they know this is a known issue with this pedal. So they send you this nice little tool as well, hex wrench, to undo what the Allen screws in here that need to be undone. So I'm gonna take this apart and hopefully get it back together for you pretty quick here. So it looks like the first thing I got to do is take off these two things, these two Allen screws here, to gain access. So I'm gonna take this apart. You know what? I have somewhere, if you have a rare earth magnet or something, it wouldn't hurt to slap that on this Allen wrench to try and make this magnetized so you can pull these little Allen screws out a little easier. So that's loosened this up. You can see that's free now. And this drum here, this half drum, apparently, according to John, should just slide off. Yep, there we go. So you can see that this is a D style shaft, so it can only go on one way. So we should be good there. And there's some locating pins right here and here, so that's really handy as well. So I'm going to pull that out of the way. Shove that up in here. This is part of the broken band that I'm going to kind of pull up, and there's another Allen key, or sorry, Allen screw that I should loosen up. And this is the one that attaches this whole unit to the actual movable part of the foot pedal. Now I'm going to pause here for a second and look for a magnet. Yes, here we go. Fortunately, I am in the kitchen right next to the fridge, so I'm going to throw this rare earth magnet on there and see if that helps a little bit get these Allen screws out of here. It might not. We'll see. There we go. See, that helps. Got a little magnetism on there. So I'm going to flip this arm the opposite direction, and there's the other Allen screw there. So these have come out pretty darn easily so far. No complaints. Sorry, my hand's probably in the way. So there's the fourth. Now I should be able to lift this pedal up like this and pull the whole assembly up through here. Like that. Hopefully you can see that. So there we go. There's the rocker assembly with the broken band, again out of this old metal band there. And here's the new one. We'll just compare. So there we are. And yeah, it's really, really nice that they have this already pre-attached. I was afraid I was going to have to undo this, wrap a whole metal thing around here, and it's just going to be a pain in the butt. So really happy about that. So now that I have this out, I'm trying to remember exactly which way this went in. Pretty sure it was this way. Well, we shall find out. We'll just test and make sure that the holes line up and everything. So you can see, maybe you can't see because my hands are in the way. I'm going to hold this up here and just drop the pedal down. Get this out of the way. So this little drum is, yeah, it's kind of on the arm. There we go. Okay. So yeah, now, okay, that has locator pins. It falls right into place. And I can now see that this, when this is on its locator pins, that'll fall nicely onto, in through that drum right there. So I'm going to actually, before I, oh, well, no, I'm gonna, let me think about this for a second. Yeah, actually, I'll put that over there for now. I'm gonna pop this back onto its locator pins, swing this arm forward, and we'll just reverse everything that we just did. So we'll take Allen screw. Oop. Magnet's not quite doing its job. So I'll just help it out with my finger a little bit. And put that in. Nice and snug. Oop, there's that magnet. Got another Allen bolt here. Stick it up in the top. So now we've attached this arm to the bottom of the pedal. We're going to take this knob assembly here, and I want to carefully line up the D side of this. So I kind of had to bring this all the way up to this drum all the way up to the top of the arm and kind of angle and slip this in where I had room. And now it's seated in there. I'm going to situate things around. Again, these have nice locator pins. That's awesome. It helps that get that in the exact right spot. And then two more Allen bolts, hex bolts, whatever you want to call them. Screws, fangs. Again, Dunlop provided this nice little tool, and the extra part free of charge. I just gave them a call, and they were more than willing to help me out. Very, very good customer service, and I will try to remember after I'm done making this video to provide the phone number for them in the description below. So there we have it. Looks like we have an operational volume pedal again. So I'm just gonna shimmy this over just a skosh on the peg there. Get that a little more centered, but that feels right. That's actually operational. It's got a nice action to it. Again, this is a nice volume pedal. I've used this for a little while now, and it's really been great for my electric guitar playing. After that's done, it's just a matter of taking the bottom plate, snapping it back in, putting 6 screws in it again, and then you're home free. So I hope this helped somebody. I know it would have helped me just to put my mind at ease a little bit, but that's how you repair the broken band on a Dunlop DVP1 volume pedal. So have a good day. Thanks.